Staying healthy is very important for people of all ages. When we are healthy, we can go to school, go to work, play with friends, and enjoy life. A healthy body and a healthy mind help us live longer and feel better every day. There are many ways to take care of our health. First, we need to eat the right food. Healthy food gives us energy and helps our body grow strong. We should eat fruits like apples, bananas, oranges, and grapes. Vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, spinach, and broccoli are also very good for us. These foods have vitamins that help us stay well. We also need to eat rice, bread, pasta, and potatoes. These give us energy to walk, run, and work. Protein is important too. It helps our muscles. We can get protein from meat, chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are good for our bones and teeth. We must also remember to eat less sugar, less salt, and less fast food. Eating too many chips, candies, or drinking lots of soda can make us sick. These foods are not good for our body. Drinking enough water every day is another way to stay healthy. Our body needs water to work well. Water helps us think clearly, stay cool, and clean the inside of our body. People should try to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Some people drink soda or juice, but water is always the best. It has no sugar and no calories. Carrying a water bottle during the day can help us remember to drink more water. Doing exercise is also very important. Moving our body every day makes us strong and helps us feel happy. There are many kinds of exercise. We can walk in the park, run in the street, or ride a bicycle. We can dance at home, jump rope, or play football, basketball, or volleyball with our friends. Children and adults both need to exercise. It is good for our heart, lungs, and muscles. Exercise also helps us sleep better at night and feel less stressed. Sleep is another big part of staying healthy. When we sleep, our body rests and grows. People who do not sleep enough can feel tired, angry, or sad. They may not do well in school or work. Children need about 9 to 10 hours of sleep every night. Adults need about 7 to 8 hours. We should try to go to bed at the same time every night and wake up at the same time every morning. It is also good to turn off phones, computers, and televisions before going to sleep. A dark and quiet room helps us sleep better. Cleanliness is also very important. When we keep our body clean, we stay away from germs and sickness. We must wash our hands before eating and after using the toilet. Washing our hands with soap and water kills germs. We should brush our teeth in the morning and before bed. Taking a shower and wearing clean clothes helps us feel fresh and healthy. Keeping our room and home clean is also important. Sometimes we need to visit the doctor. Even when we feel fine, it is good to have checkups. The doctor can tell us if everything is okay. If we are sick, we should not wait. We should go to the doctor early so we can get better faster. Some people also go to the dentist to check their teeth. Health professionals help us understand our body better and keep us safe. Good health is not only about the body. It is also about how we feel inside. We should try to stay happy and talk about our feelings. Spending time with family and friends makes us feel loved and supported. Doing things we enjoy like drawing, reading, playing music, or walking in nature helps us feel better. If we are sad or worried, we should talk to someone we trust. Sharing problems can make them smaller. In our daily life, we make many small choices. We can choose to walk instead of taking a car. We can choose an apple instead of a chocolate bar. We can choose to sleep early instead of staying up late. All these small choices help us live a better, stronger, and longer life. A healthy person can enjoy life more. They can study better, work better, and help others. That is why health is one of the most important things in life.